Good morning, guys. Today we have a 2019 Nissan Rogue. She smacked the side mirror. We're doing a side mirror replacement real quick on it. As usual, I'll put a link down in the description so you can purchase these parts off Amazon. So first thing we're going to do is gently use a plastic prying tool or a screwdriver. Pop this panel off here. I had to pull down here a little bit to release this clip here. Once that's out of the way, we got three 10 millimeters and a electrical connector. Okay guys, so hopefully you can see that down there. That is the electrical connector for the mirror. So what I'm going to try to do is use a screwdriver to get down in there and unclip that so I don't have to take the whole door panel off. And I'm going to need to use two hands for that, so I'm going to have to put you down for a minute. So I got the tab pushed in right now with the screwdriver, and there we go. That is off. So I'm going to use my handy dandy awesome electric ratchet that I got off Amazon. This thing is badass. These are three 10 millimeters. So I got the 310s out. Now you can see while the mirror is being replaced, I should be able to just grab it, wiggle it a bit to break the seal, and pull the whole entire assembly out. Here is the new one. Everything is ready to go. I'm gonna fish this wire down through here. Get everything lined up. It came with a new cover too, it's just not on yet. Once that's all in, I'm gonna hold it up here tight. Put my three 10 millimeter nuts back on. Also has a locating pin right here. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but that just helps keep everything centered while you're putting it in. I'm going to use my awesome little electric ratchet again. Watch how much I tighten this down because this has 45 foot-pounds of torque. Peek that on the outside, make sure everything looks normal. Now I'm going to fish this electrical connector back in. There we go, I got it snapped in. Run this wiring back down in there. Now I'm going to reinstall the sail panel here. It's got three little tabs that lock in these 1, 2, 3 holes here. Wiring's stuck on a clip down there. I got to pull it out now. So down here at the bottom, there's a little tab that you have to line up to get it to hook in. Once that's in, I'm going to make sure I got all three clips lined up in the hole before I start pounding. There we go, that's locked in. Just shoot this pop back in like that. Now we're all good on the outside here. That's all put back together. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this part here. Should, I think, just snap in place. And that's all it does, got it snapped in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and check everything for proper function. Okay everyone, that's how you put a side mirror on a 2019 Murano. As usual, I'll put a link down in the descriptions where you can purchase the part and that little electric ratchet I have. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.